kids, welcome to my channel Easy Kids Classes. Let's learn some colors and shapes name. Violet color, light pink color, black color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, red color, yellow color, peacock green color. Let's draw the shape. This is black color. Arrow. Quatrefoil. Kite. Star. Heart. Pentagon. Orange color. Arrow. Arrow. Arrow, orange color. Blue color. Quatrefoil. Quatrefoil. Quatrefoil, blue color. Light pink color. Kite. Kite, pink color. Sky blue color. Star. Star, sky blue color. Red color. Heart. Heart, red color. Violet color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Violet color. Arrow. Quatrefoil. Kite. Kite. Star. Star. Heart. Pentagon. Orange color, blue color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, violet color. Arrow, quatrefoil, kite, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.